Hi, I'm Amina, the Assistant Treasurer of Grade from Universiti Pendidikan Sultan Idris. We are a team of 6 education students from different courses who are passionate about environmental awareness among indigenous school children and want to develop game-based learning and hand-on education among students. Therefore, we decided to make an environment learning concept for indigenous school in Perak and Selangor, as they have a limited of knowledge about environmental awareness and didn't know how to recycle. So, to overcome this problem, we had planned a project that have 3 different phases, which is phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So, these different phases have their own benefits for this project, which is, for the phase 1, we want to create a bonding with students and generate them with energy before start. Next, for the second phase is hand-on activity and game-based learning with 6 main components that we focusing about environmental awareness, which is air pollution, earth, deforestation, noise pollution, microbes, and terrarium activity.
Jadi jangan minum air kotor tau.
For the phase 3, we were focusing to maintain all the activity by implement it to their school location. To sustain this project, we have made a great garden at all these indigenous schools. This garden will help them to know more about environmental awareness and help them to apply all the things from phase 2 and composting waste to use for the plant. This project has benefited 342 indigenous school students and has received a total of 98 volunteers from our university. We have run this project at 4 different schools at Perak and Selangor, which is SK Proton City Perak, SK Bukit Tadong Selangor, SK Batu Tujuh Perak, and SK Kampung Busud Asli Selangor.
Aktiviti-aktiviti tadi dapat mengeratkan lagi anak-anak ini dengan pihak luar. Sebab sedia maklum mereka ni anak-anak orang asli. Jadi bila ada kehadiran dari pihak luar, mereka sangat gembira dan cuba memberikan kerjasama.
Akan dibangunkan. Okey. Jadi saya rasa bertepatan dengan intibati program ini yang mana untuk menjaga alam sekitar kita, kawasan hutan kita, okey.